Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about growing melons indoor again. In the last video, I mentioned how leaving so many melons on the same vine will produce more fruits. Today I'm going to show you exactly that so you can see the results and how it looks. So here I have 3 melon vines, and within these 3 melon vines I allowed too many fruits per vine. So let's take a closer look so I can show you. So here is one vine right here, and there's another, and then here's another. So in each of the vines I left, look at it, 1 melon, 2 melons, 3 melons, see they're all growing, and 4 and 5 in the back right there. And also on this one here I left 1, 2, probably another one somewhere in the back. And then on this one I have 1 here, this one here, this one there, and 1 in the back over there. And as you can see, the size of the melon, they're not very big. So they're probably a size of those, like a baseball or a little larger, but not very big. You see here, and you notice there's netting already. The netting meaning they are almost mature. They will remain this size, and they're just gonna slowly ripen up and get more of the netting on the surface right here. And that's really as large as they will get. So that is usually what you get when you grow melons and allow too many fruits. Also, if you grow too many melon vines in the same container, and that also reduces the size of your melons, because all 3 of the plants, or however many you have, they're all fighting for resources inside the container. And so when the resources are shared, usually that is the case. So my melons will not get any bigger than this. So let me show you a melon that I grow by itself, 1 vine, 1 bucket, and you would notice a huge difference. Okay, in this tent I have 1 melon vine, that is all I allowed, and I cut off all of the fruits except 1, and here is the fruit. It is double the size of the other fruits, and it's still growing. You see the netting is not quite there yet. That means this melon is still growing, so it's going to get a little larger than this. And as you can see, there's no other melon. It's just 1 melon vine, 1 fruit. I cut off everything else, and all the resources will go to this 1 fruit. That is the reason why it is much larger than the other ones. So if you do grow melons indoor and you want large fruits, then you should get 1 container per plant, and then allow 1 fruit per plant as well, and that will definitely result in much larger fruits. So I hope that helps those that are trying to grow melons for the very first time or second time indoors in hydroponic and want to get larger melons. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.